5 skills you no longer need to learn, thanks to AI. In the recent months, developments in artificial intelligence, AI, has taken huge strides and its use has skyrocketed, especially after the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT. That being said, while AI is not expected to fully mimic humans' abilities, it is becoming good at performing repetitive basic, simply known as robotic tasks. Well, here are the skill sets you can skip learning thanks to AI. 1. Writing. AI's natural language generation technology can be used to produce work such as reports, news articles, and other content. With AI advance in language capabilities, it will augment human writing jobs by summarizing information, making suggestions, and even brainstorming ideas. Workers are already using chatbots like ChatGPT to write content relevant to their job, such as human resources teams with job descriptions. 2. Art design. AI-powered tools can reduce manual design work by assisting with tasks such as generating images, designing layouts, and optimizing color schemes. For instance, a photographer on Instagram who gained thousands of followers with stunning portraits admitted that they were actually created by AI software, Midjourney, and touched up in Photoshop. 3. Data entry. Machine learning algorithms can input data faster and more accurately than humans. Thanks to machine learning algorithms such as optical character recognition, OCR, technology, AI can now recognize and convert printed or written text into digital data, reducing manual errors and saving valuable time. 4. Data analysis. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, identifying patterns and insights that humans may misinterpret or miss entirely, which arguably leads to better decision-making. AI that can simply look through our data, analyze it, detect patterns, and do the analysis. 5. Video editing. AI-powered editing tools can assist people with no experience in editing videos by automatically selecting and assembling the best shots, adding transitions, and adjusting audio levels. It can also assist with tasks such as image retouching, video stabilization, and color correction with a lot of ease, saving humans this tedious task. AI tools can also generate previews, making it easier for users to visualize their final product. What do you think of the future AI? Thanks to its ability to easily automate repetitive tasks, AI might be the solution to years of people being subjected to a system that pushes them into killing their creativity by performing basic and dull tasks. Hopefully in the long run, AI can be a good thing. With that being said, there are some jobs that still need human skills to operate, perhaps can never be replaced by AI. For example, while a plane can fly on its own using its autopilot mode, a pilot is always needed on board in case of emergencies. In such jobs, humans offer innovative and creative resolutions coupled with problem-solving and quick thinking, which many robots are very far from achieving. This applies to all jobs that can be vulnerable to automation. Takeaway message is that in this age of AI, skills that would actually matter are those that make us humans. From creativity to critical thinking and soft skills that can only be provided by human touch. Don't miss out on this valuable information. Hit the subscribe button to follow us for more info and tips on AI.